When working with PVC pipes, especially in sizes ranging from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches, proper gluing techniques are crucial for creating reliable and long-lasting connections. The double coat method, where glue is applied to both the male and female ends of the pipe and fitting, is generally considered the best practice. Let's break down the process step by step, starting with preparation. Firstly, begin by cutting the pipe squarely. This can be achieved using a saw or a pipe cutter. A square cut ensures maximum surface contact for a strong bond. Secondly, it's very important to remove any burrs from the cut edges. These imperfections can interfere with the gluing process and weaken the joint. A deburring tool or a file can be used to smooth the edges. You should also chamfer the edges slightly. This means creating a small bevel on the inside and outside edges of the pipe. Chamfering helps to guide the pipe into the fitting and prevents the glue from being scraped off during insertion. Thirdly, cleaning the pipe and fitting is essential. Use a solvent cleaner specifically designed for PVC to remove any dirt, grease, or oils from the mating surfaces. A clean surface allows the glue to properly bond with the PVC material. Now let's move on to glue application. Firstly, select a high-quality PVC cement that is specifically designed for the pipe size you're working with. Different sizes may require different formulations for optimal performance. Secondly, apply glue to both the male end of the pipe and the female end of the fitting. This is the double coat method. Use a brush, dauber, or applicator to apply a thin, even layer of glue. Thirdly, make sure that the glue covers the entire mating surface. This ensures a complete and consistent bond around the circumference of the pipe. Fourthly, avoid applying excessive glue. Too much glue can create a mess and may actually weaken the joint by preventing proper contact between the pipe and fitting. Next is assembly. Firstly, immediately after applying the glue, firmly insert the male end of the pipe into the female end of the fitting. Work quickly to ensure that the glue is still wet and pliable. Secondly, as you insert the pipe, give it a quick twist. This helps to distribute the glue evenly and create a stronger bond. Thirdly, hold the joint together firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. This allows the glue to begin to set and prevents the pipe from slipping out of the fitting. Fourthly, remove any excess glue that may have squeezed out of the joint. A clean joint not only looks better, but also prevents the excess glue from weakening the surrounding area. Now for curing. Firstly, allow the joint to cure for the amount of time recommended on the glue label. Curing time can vary depending on the type of glue and the environmental conditions. Secondly, typically PVC cement takes about 24 hours to fully cure. During this time, the glue undergoes a chemical reaction that creates a strong, permanent bond. Thirdly, do not move or stress the joint until it has fully cured. Any movement or stress can disrupt the curing process and weaken the joint. So why apply glue to both surfaces? Firstly, the double coating ensures that there is sufficient adhesive on both surfaces to create maximum strength. It provides a greater volume of glue to fill any gaps and create a more robust bond. Secondly, it helps prevent the glue from being squeezed out during assembly. With glue on both surfaces, there's less chance of it being displaced and weakening the joint. Thirdly, it promotes better bonding by creating two glue surfaces that interlock with each other. This creates a stronger, more reliable connection. While some plumbers may only apply glue to the male end of the pipe, the double coat method is generally considered best practice for stronger and more durable joints, especially for larger pipe diameters. This method ensures that the joint can withstand greater pressure and stress over time. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific PVC cement you are using. Different brands may have slightly different application and curing requirements. Safety is also very important. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling harmful fumes from the glue and solvent cleaner. Wear gloves to protect your hands from the chemicals. Avoid getting glue or solvent in your eyes or on your skin. If contact occurs, flush the affected area with water immediately. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your PVC pipe connections are strong, durable, and leak-free. Whether you're working on a plumbing project, an irrigation system, or any other application that uses PVC pipes, proper gluing techniques are essential for success. Always remember that preparation, proper glue application, careful assembly, and adequate curing time are the keys to a strong and reliable PVC joint. With a little practice and attention to detail, you can master the art of gluing PVC pipes and create long-lasting connections that will stand the test of time.